In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money with a URL shortener for free. This is going to be an actual method that you can use to make money with a URL shortener, and you can use this to make a pretty decent amount of money as well. So I'm using for this video shrinkearn.com. If you want to check this URL shortener out for whatever reason, I will leave a link in the description below. If you go to publisher rates here, you can see they have pretty decent publisher rates with $20 for Greenland and so on. You can check these out. $13 Iceland, San Marino $10, and then the US, Canada, and UK is all $7. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description. So here's how you can use a URL shortener to make money for free. So I'm going to go to my dashboard here, and just like any URL shortener, you can create a new shorten link. And by the way, this works on any URL shortener. You don't have to be using ShrinkEarn. Now, what we can do, we can go to new shorten link, and we can go and enter in here a shorten link. Now, I'm going to show you here how you can shorten a very specific link, because the link that you shorten does matter when you're using this method and when you're shortening links with URL shorteners. So what I want you to do is I want you to open up a new tab here, and I want you to type in TikTok downloader. Now, bear with me here because that is a very specific search term, and I want to show you here what website you need to be shortening. So you can go to this one here, snaptik.app, and it allows you to download TikToks from the TikTok website without the watermark, right? So people can go to snaptik.app to download TikToks. So what you need to do, you need to go ahead and copy this, and bear with me, this method will all make sense. You can then go and shorten this in your URL shortener. So paste it in and click shorten. So now you have your shorten link, which is going to make you money every time someone clicks on it. I'm assuming you all know how URL shorteners actually work. So now you've got a shorten link which goes to a TikTok downloader. Now what you need to do is you need to open up a new tab again, and you need to type in obsproject.com into the URL bar, and it's going to take you to OBS Studio. Here you can download OBS Studio, which is going to allow you to record your computer screen. It's what I'm recording with right now. It's a screen recorder which allows you to record your computer screen. And once you've done that, what you can do is you can now record your screen and create a video showing people how they can download TikTok videos. So if I go to YouTube here and I type in on YouTube, how to download TikTok videos, you can see here 431,000 views for a simple video showing people how to download TikTok videos. Again here, another video, 238,000. Again, another one, 43,000, 22,000. And there's one here on your computer, 157,000 views. Now what you need to do, you need to create a video like this, and you can do it very easily with OBS Studio. You can speak over it if you want to, you don't have to speak over it. I would recommend you do for better results, but you don't have to. So you can then record your screen, and you can show people that they can use this website here to download TikTok videos. Now what you would say is, if you want to check this website out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Now this person here hasn't left a link to the website in the description, but you would create this video and you would leave the link in the description below. Now the link that you leave would be your shorten link. So you would get all of this 158,000 people to click on your link, and then they would be redirected to this TikTok downloader. When they click on your link, you're going to earn money because they're going to see advertisements from your link shortener. And you don't have to do this just for TikTok videos. You can do how to download Twitter videos. You can do how to download Twitter photos, Instagram videos. Basically any tutorial that you need to link, you can add that link through your URL shortener. So that was a quick video. I hope it helped you out. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.